Hello and namaste, this is me Haryamale Mogra and welcome back to IT Health after so long time. Today I'm here with Nokia ONU and today I'm going to show you the basic configuration of Nokia ONU step by step. So without doing delay, let's jump into the configuration part. First, you have to open up any browser that you have. Type the default gateway of your Nokia ONU, that is 192.168.1.25. This is default gateway, and the default username and the password is admin and password is alchfgu. Click on login button. From here you can see the informations of your device, your LAN, WAN, and so on. The first one is device information. So here you can see the information of your device and LAN information over here. You can see this is WAN informations. If you have multiple interface WAN interface, then just you can select the interface and you can see the status of respective interface. So if your ISP is providing to you IPv6, then you can see the IPv6 status as well. And this is neighboring AP, if home networking, another optic module status. From here you can check your optical power label, RX, TX, and so on. And this is your traffic statistic, how much traffic is transforming from which interface. You can see over here this is LAN. All right, so let me show you another important menu, that is internet as a network. You can configure the LAN, WAN, wireless, IP routing, DNS, and so many things over here. So if you want to change the mode or port, then you can change the mode from here. And if you want to make all the ports in the bridge mode, then just simply you just click here and all the ports will thrown into the bridge mode. All right, so here you can change the default LAN IP address. This is default one, so if you wish, then you can change the default LAN IP address as well. And this is the if you want to enable DHCP server, then just click on the check this box, and if you don't, then just simply uncheck this box. All right. And similarly, this is for the IPv6, and this is for the WAN. First you have to create the WAN interface if you don't have already. So just you have to click on create new connections and select the connection type, whether it is IPOE or PPOE. And before basics you can select, if your service provider is providing PPOE service, then just click on the PPOE and simply type the VLAN ID and username and the password that is provided by your service provider. And this is for the WAN DHCP, and this is the wireless attributes, right? In this ONU, we can configure up to 4 different SSID from single device. For now I have configured only one SSID, and I have configured the SSID name, and this is the security mode actually, and this can be done from this security section as well. This is wireless schedule. If you want to disable automatically, to disable or enable your wireless signal, then you can configure the wireless schedule as well from here. So let's move on to the security sections. Firewall section. If you want to enable firewall, built-in firewall, then just you can enable it. And security level, you can choose the whether you want to enable low, high, whatever you would like to. Just select the any option, then save it. MAC filtering, if you want to allow some particular MAC from some particular Ethernet only, then just type the MAC address, and from which port you want to allow, just simply click on that port. And for the wireless, if you want to allow only particular MAC address, then simply type the MAC address of your desired device, and from which SSID you want to allow, just select the SSID over here and save it. Then only that MAC address will be allowed from that SSID. So this is IP filtering, URL filtering. So if you want to enable URL filtering, then just click on this box, and the type, whether you want to allow or you want to block, just select the actions and type the URL and the respective port number. So please keep in your mind that allowing the URL filtering or firewall, it will definitely increase your resource utilization of your ONU. All right. So this one is parental control. You can enable parental control from here, and you can add the rules by clicking add icon, and here is the menu where you can type the conditions and save it. Now let's move on to a maintenance part. From here you can change your password of admin user, and if you want to back up your configurations and you want to migrate configuration from this ONU to another on same module, then you can simply export the configurations. And if you have already backup configuration and you want to import that configuration, then you can import the configurations by clicking import buttons. And this is firmware upgrade. From here you can choose the firmware and select the firmware, and you can upgrade the firmware of this device. And if you want to reboot this device from web, then simply click on the reboot button and factory default. If you want to reset your configuration, then simply click on the factory default and click on the factory default. Another is diagnostic options. This is very useful while you are having some problems with your internet, or if you want to ping or if you want to trace route, then you can perform these activities from these sections. So you can choose your source interface, and you can type here the destinations and select the test type, whether you want to check ping or trace route. Click here and how many packets you want, and just click on the start. Let me show you. So I'm going to ping this IP. You will see the output of one actions. So it's pinging. So it has so this router had sent 4 packets and received all 4 packets, so zero packets are lost. So from this section, from this menu, you can check the log of devices. So you can check severity of your logs. So alright, this is the basic this is like this is the basic configurations steps for the Nokia ONU. If you have any questions, if you have any confusions, then please write down in comment section below. Uh, I will reply you as soon as possible. And stay tuned. Keep supporting us. Thank you.